Hi everybody, welcome to today's video where we're going to be making a scalloped potato dome recipe which has some cheese and some bacon in it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button to my channel, and I hope to hear from you soon in the comments. Time for the final ratings. The picky 12-year-old gave this recipe a rating of a 10 out of 10, and the rest of us gave it a rating of a 9 out of 10. So it was a pretty popular recipe. On the messiness scale, it gets a rating of a 4 out of 10, again, because I had to cook bacon. I will say that the recipe didn't do too well on the presentation scale, if I had one of those. The dome didn't really come out very good, but it did taste very good. So, pretty good recipe. I think if I had to do it again, I'd probably just do it in a casserole dish instead of trying to make it into a fancy dome-looking thing. The other comment is that the sauce was delicious. So, the sauce was really good, and it kind of made the whole meal. Without the sauce, it probably would have been pretty bland, but with the sauce, it was really, really good. So, that's that. Again, if you guys enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video the thumbs up and click on that bell icon so that you know anytime that I post it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to hear from you in the comments.